Hello everybody, so this is a basic manicure and I'm going to show you guys what you need. And so I'm showing you the nail polish remover and the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails hardener as the base coat, and the nail filer and a nail clipper, and don't mind a brush, it's a little messed up. A Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. This is the polish that I'll be using, LA Colors. And this is Out the Door top coat, and I forgot what this is called, but some type of glitter. And this is what I use to catch the cotton balls. And this is my Aveeno Eczema Therapy Lotion. And this is the Beauty Secrets nail polish dryer. And this is the Cotton Swabs Q-tips. And this is the cotton balls. Alright, hey everyone. Alright, so we're going to use the Sally Hansen's Cuticle Remover, and I'm going fast because this took a long time. And this was pretty hard because my ring light is doing some crazy stuff. So I have to look into that. I'm going to be doing like, I have to probably buy another one or get an adapter. I did order an adapter. We'll see how that goes. Okay, now I'm pushing the cuticles back, as you guys could see with the little, I didn't show you guys this, but it's just like a little wooden stick. It's like a cuticle pusher. I encourage you guys not to cut the cuticles unless you have a hangnail that you cannot, avoid. So please use the nail clipper for that. I did not use it on here, but I did use it off camera. So that's why I said you may need a nail clipper unless you want to clip your nails as well. But I always encourage to push the cuticles back as opposed to using the cuticle cutter. Sometimes you may need to use it, but don't use it as often because it's not really good for the nails. But pushing the cuticles back and using something to soften the cuticles to push it back is what you need. All right, I'm going to use the Aveeno Eczema Therapy Lotion. Now, you guys don't need to use this exact lotion because this lotion is very expensive. I use this because I do have a mild case of eczema, and so I do need to use this because my hands do get dry. My skin does get dry, so I definitely need to use this, especially when you're doing your nails after you done use soap and water. You guys know, since we're going through this pandemic, we have been washing our hands 1,000 times a day. Okay, all right, so yeah, so use any type of lotion that you could afford or that's good for you and that's comfortable for your budget. All right, so now we're going to use the nail polish remover, and we're going to remove any excess oils that we have on the nails. And then we're also going to use the Q-tips to get up under the nails because you guys know I'm a stickler about, being very clean about under your nails. You don't want your nails to be all yellow looking and stuff, and things of that nature. So you want to make sure that your nails are looking, very presentable, and you're taking care of your nails prior to applying the nail polish. All right, we are done with everything. So now we're going to put on the base coat. I apologize. All right, so I decided to use this base coat, the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I usually use Dewy Rejuvecoat, but I could not find it. You guys know I have over 1,000 nail polishes. I am not joking when I say that. Okay, don't come for me. But anyway, so basically I'm using this. I did just purchase this. I used to use this before Dewy Rejuvecoat. So I'm like, and it did work out. I love Sally Hansen products. I've been using Sally Hansen products like forever and a day because I always done my own nails, so I've been using this for a long time. So if you guys want to use it, you can. I'm just showing you the items that you may need, and the items that I show you, you can get something else other than. So you could get any other base coat, you get anything, as long as it's basically the same thing. You don't have to have the exact same items that I purchased, because you, again, do what your heart desires, what your budget desires, and what you feel comfortable with buying. All right, so we're done with the base coat, so we let that dry for a little bit. And usually base coats don't take that long to dry, depending upon what type of formula or what type of ingredients they have in it, but this one particularly dries pretty quickly, and that's basically it about that. So yeah. All right, so now we're going to use the LA Colors Last. This says last up to 10 days. I don't know, but anyway, this is my first time using this nail polish, and I really do love the color. It's very nice, very summery. It's like a peachy type deal, and it's very nice. So I recommend it, you know, if you are into colors like that. You know, I'm not really into like bright colors, but I've started to like, you know, bright colors, you know, colors that I like, that goes to my skin, and things that I like. You know, there are certain colors that I don't like, which is green. You guys know the story. I'm not going to go into that, but you know, that's just basically it about that. So I just like colors that I like, and you know, yeah, so this is what it looks like, you know, on my short nails. I'm so mad that my nails are short, but this is what it is, and I haven't been taking care of them the way I should, so now I'm starting to. So you guys will see my nails get longer in due time. And I'm just basically, you know, doing a basic manicure. I'm making sure that I don't go all the way down to the cuticle, and if I do, I will clean it up while it is like wet or semi-wet, so it will not be difficult to remove when it's fully dry. So I really suggest to those that are painting the nails, try not to go all the way down to the cuticle, you know, because you don't want it to look like messy or look, you know, tacky, because you're flooding the cuticle, and that doesn't look, you know, nice. Well, to me it doesn't. If that's the look you're going for, you know, I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but you know, that's just me. That's how I am, and things of that sort. And I like to clean up as well, because I don't like it to look, cause that looks, I'm just going to tell you right now, that looks tacky. When you have nail polish on the sides of your nails and stuff like that, that should be cleaned up. I'm sorry, not sorry, that needs to be cleaned up. So let's not be lazy. All right, so we're going to use Out the Door, which is one of the best top coats that I have used since doing my nails. It is Out the Door. Okay, once you put this on, it dries very quickly, and I really like it a lot. So I did purchase this from Sally's a long time ago, and since I haven't done my regular nails in a long time, or used regular nail polish in a long time, I had this for a while, as you guys know, because Sally's you know, since the pandemic, have been closed. All right, and don't mind my brush. I have to clean that up. So, but this is the cleanup part, and that's what I mean. Clean up, you know, clean up. All right, so this is the glitter that I'm using. You guys see the stamp thing in the back. I did try to do the stamping, but I did not like the way it came out. So that's why. So that's why I put the glitter over top. And don't mind that Old Navy card. That's an old card. I don't even use that anymore. So yeah, I use that for the stamping. If you guys know stamping, you usually take an old card and scrape it. And you know, if you don't know about that, look up some stamping videos. I don't have any on my channel, but I do stamp my nails from time to time. Alright, so now I'm going to put the top coat over top to seal in everything. And if you have a free edge, try to get the top as well, so the manicure can last longer. And I'm going to use a dryer, and I'm also going to put the oil. This oil has it's olive oil and I believe vitamin E oil in here. I do this to apply it to the cuticles after everything is dry, so because my hands did go through a lot, and so you want to make sure that your cuticles are not dry. So this will definitely moisturize your cuticles and, you know, make it, you know, so you won't be looking ashy sometimes. But anyway, that's just basically it about that, you guys. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want more videos like this, please let me know. And that's just basically it about that, you guys. And of course, you guys watching. Peace, bye.